Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the chapter Agriculture in India. Agriculture means cultivation of land. Cultivation of land. Agriculture is the practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops, rearing of animals to provide food, wool, and other products. As we all know, that 60% of our working population is engaged in agriculture. Because of fertile land, good rainfall, tropical climate, and availability of natural resources have made India a agricultural country. It was also at the time of green revolution. That period was called a green revolution because of we were having proper means of irrigation, modern facilities, improved variety of seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides, which has increased the production of food grains. Now we are going to talk about Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops. Kharif crops are the crops which are generally planted in June and harvested in October. The examples of Kharif crops are rice, maize, cotton, and groundnuts. The Rabi crops. The Rabi crops are the crops that are generally planted in November and harvested in April. The examples of Rabi crops are wheat, barley, pea, and gram. There are two types of crops, that is food crop and cash crop. The first we are going to talk about food crops. The crops which are grown to be eaten are called food crops. Examples of food crops are rice, wheat, millets, and pulses. Now we are going to talk about another type of crop, that is cash crop. The crops which are grown to be used in industries or for sale in the market are called cash crops. The examples of cash crops are sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea and coffee. Why are these called cash crops? Because sugar cane is processed, is sent into the factories, and there it is processed to make jaggery and sugar. Jute is used to make bags and carpets. Cotton is used to make cloth. Tea and coffee are popular drinks. Coffee powder is made from coffee beans. We have spices. The spices in India, there are many spices which lend flavor to our food, and India is known for its spices. Cardamom, bay leaf, cloves, pepper, ginger are the spices. We have oil seeds. Oil seeds are the main source of cooking oil. Crops of groundnut, mustard seeds, linseed, castor seed, and cotton seed are grown in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. The last topic of this chapter is horticulture. What is horticulture? Horticulture is the practice of growing flowers, fruits, and vegetables. The, the place, the land which has been in which we can grow fruits, vegetables, and flowers is called horticulture. Thank you. अटकी हूँ मैं कहीं कहीं, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल में अब